Have you ever wondered if there's a way to enjoy matcha's benefits without the effects of caffeine? Imagine starting your day or winding down in the evening with a cup of matcha that doesn't keep you awake or give you the jitters. Caffeine-free matcha green tea is becoming a game changer for those who love matcha's earthy flavor and health benefits but prefer to skip the caffeine. Matcha is widely celebrated for its antioxidants, calming properties, and ability to enhance focus. However, for those sensitive to caffeine, it can be a challenge to enjoy these benefits without the side effects. This is where caffeine-free matcha green tea shines. By using naturally caffeine-free green tea leaves or special decaffeination methods, this option delivers the same vibrant taste and nutrients as regular matcha without disrupting your sleep or causing anxiety. Caffeine-free matcha green tea is packed with L-theanine, a compound that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. It's an excellent source of antioxidants that support your immune system, protect against free radicals, and boost skin health. Additionally, it aids digestion and supports healthy metabolism without the stimulating effects of caffeine. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants a guilt-free, calming beverage that nurtures both body and mind. Whether you're starting a new wellness journey or just looking for a gentle drink to accompany your day, caffeine-free matcha is a delightful choice. One of the key moments in choosing caffeine-free matcha green tea is realizing its versatility. You can enjoy it hot or cold, use it in lattes or smoothies, and even incorporate it into recipes like desserts and baked goods. The rich flavor and vibrant green color make it an enjoyable addition to your diet while supporting overall health. In summary, caffeine-free matcha green tea is a fantastic alternative for matcha lovers seeking all the benefits without caffeine. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply prefer a caffeine-free lifestyle, this tea offers a perfect solution. If you've enjoyed learning about caffeine-free matcha green tea and its benefits, why not give it a try? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tea-inspired content.